Good morning, my family and friends. Happy Friday. We made it to Friday. It's October the 23rd. So, this is a scene that I see every morning on my journey. So, I'm going to block out street signs and stuff like that because some of you guys are cray-cray on this channel, and we're just being honest. But I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit of fall scenery, and then I will catch you in another part of the video. So enjoy what you see that I take part in every day, okay? Here's the big part that I love right here. Look at this. So pretty and look at this. So bright, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Brilliant. The trees are so pretty. All right, good morning, guys. I hope you all enjoyed my scenery that I see every single day. It's a beautiful scene, and all the trees are bright. I mean, they're bright. I think that's what I was trying to say. And I just wanted to share with you. So I want to share something else with you guys that I experienced yesterday. Y'all see my baby back here? She's riding along with me. That's my roll buddy. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting on purchasing me a bike rack. And I absolutely was going to go on Amazon and get one. And something just told me, just be patient and wait. Just be patient. So, long story short, y'all. Yesterday, this is not really a story time, but I just want to share. Yesterday, I was getting ready to go somewhere. I think in the store or something. And I could not find my mask. And I usually keep my mask either on the seat. I have two, a gray one and a black one. They're both cotton, and I washed them. So I usually leave it on the seat of my car or in my purse where I can see it. So long story short, I'm trying to look at the camera lens. Long story short, y'all, I could not find it. I was panicking, looking all over for it. I'm like, oh my God, it got to be in one of those places why I can't find it. So, y'all, it was kind of like, why are you panicking, girl? You're panicking like you lost the house keys or you lost your truck keys, and then you're going to be out because how you going to get your purse? How you going to get in the house? All that stuff. I was like, where's my mask? Oh my God, where's my mask? Like trying to go over where I was at, what I was doing to find this mask. Y'all, my mask was on the bottom of the truck on the floor. So the bottom of the floor is dark. You know, you got black car mats. It was like right up under. Y'all, if somebody would have heard me, they would have been like, who is she talking to? I was just praying and chanting like, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Oh my God. I'm thinking of all the things that could have happened. Sometimes we need to just take a moment and woosah. And he will give you the strength and the wherewithal once you calm down to find out what it is, okay? And where it is. I just want to leave that with y'all. And also, it's to show the times that we are living in that are very sad, but you have to make the best out of it and smile and laugh because, you know, once you do this, you'll see something else and you'll feel better inside. And that's what happened to me yesterday. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So later on, I will see you guys once I'm off work and get home and get settled. We're going to be discussing some kitchen stuff, and we're going to be discussing some office stuff. I want to show y'all something. Okay, so I'll see you guys later, all right? Hi, y'all. So guess what? We're going to start this video off straight to the point because she has things to do. Y'all, it is a lovely day here, another lovely day in Ohio. And I don't know where y'all at. Some of y'all are in different parts of the land. And I'm going to address that because a lot of you, I didn't get a chance to so much respond to the comments yesterday, but I am going to do it today. So I will be responding to some of your comments. So, guys, we have made a major decision. Okay, we have. Thanks to you guys. Thanks to all the support and the love here on this channel. You guys know I live simple. I live free. I don't like crazy. I like peace, tranquility, and happiness. And that's what you're going to get here on this channel. So Yeah, I just like to bring you guys along to just show you different things and what I'm doing, and hopefully in one of these videos, something might help somebody along those lines. So that's my give back to you guys, and that is why I created my channel. So enough being said, we're gonna take another sip of coffee, and we're gonna get straight into this video because y'all, like I said, I appreciate y'all very much, okay? Even though I know I'm gonna do whatever I wanna do, you guys can see what I see, and I appreciate that. So let's go in here and let's talk a little bit so I can get some of y'all's questions and concerns answered. So I think what I am gonna do, I'm gonna shut this door, and I'll probably turn the light on so you guys can see me a little clearer. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, and we're gonna just jump into this video. Okay, guys, let me see if I can place y'all down here, and then we can talk a little bit while you guys are, for some odd reason, I'm not even gonna give this no credit today. I'm just gonna try to do the best that I can as far as the lighting here. So, guys, some of you were saying, I did read one comment saying about how, like, maybe this won't fit underneath, but they do fit underneath, as you can see, plenty of room. And I'm going to show you guys, this is how, if I scoop, I can, so I don't know about anybody else. I can sit here with a plate and I can eat. I can't put my legs up underneath here, but I can sit here and actually have a meal, and I can talk, and I can converse and be on my phone, read my word. I can do a lot of things. So just want to get that out there. So the table is going to get sprayed black, guys. Black, I'm going to get a paint and a primer mixed together. I'm going to try to do it today so I can show you guys. If I can't, it will be in the next video because I have to go back out this evening. So I'm hoping that I can stop by a Home Depot, Lowe's, or Walmart to get this spray paint. And then it's beautiful here, y'all. The temperature might be like almost 74 degrees, and it's blowing, and it can dry this really quick, and I can leave it sitting out for a while so it doesn't get rained on or anything. And then also another thing too, guys, the fact that it has these metal legs, I absolutely love that. I can always switch these peg legs out. They actually have like things you can unscrew under here. I can switch these out for metal legs. And I think if you guys know anything about Lowe's or Home Depot, they have metal legs that come like that, and they're in black matte. And I can always like get them taller to make the table higher, or vice versa. But yes, this is gonna get sprayed, this is gonna get sprayed matte black finish. And guys, I end up putting this here because I absolutely love it. Y'all, so just imagine how this is gonna look when the table is sprayed and everything. So I bought this down here, and then what I did here was, this beauty needs to be by itself. This is something that needs to be all by itself because it stands out. And then I have the three things here. And like I said, I'm going to get some kind of oval looking wood piece, something that stands out, catches your eye in here. And that way, when you look, I want to keep the side where you look at it, you'll be able to see this part of the structure of this piece here. So yeah. And then over here, I end up taking, instead of having the the plant draped here, from over here, I put it over here so it won't bring too much attention because we already have this and that there. So that was the reason for that. But guys, just imagine when she gets painted black, how beautiful she's gonna be. So remember I said I didn't know what to do with this, but yeah, we have a place to put it now. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and head into the office so I can show you how that turned out, because no, I'm going to go back this weekend and see if I can find the other chair. If I see the other chair, I will buy it and I will place it right here. I will place it there. So let's go on into the office and look at the changes, how the chair made a change in the space and how the curtain looks. So guys, here is the chair. Let's lighten her up again because she's acting all weird out again. So y'all, let's just do this, because I was gonna sit in the chair to show y'all before we were really interrupted by this. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this real quick, y'all, okay? So this is the chair. I love it. I love it because she's so sophisticated. So mid-century modeling. It feels so good. I can sit back, got my back support, do my work or whatever. Actually, I can set it up like this. It's just real comfortable, y'all. It's very good construction, and I absolutely love it. And I think it looks well with the space. Y'all let me know in the comments. Did y'all think I was gonna put it in here, or did y'all think I was gonna leave it in there? I told you I had to put my dining room table chair that was in here I was using, because I sold the other one. So then over here, these drapes, guys, let me see where the lighting is before I get rid of y'all. Okay, so the drapes here were perfect. It's the right amount of length. I think these are 96 inches long, and it looks good, guys. I did wash them. I couldn't get out the spot, but it's okay because I don't have people that come to my home, and I don't socialize with people who criticize everything and look at every little thing and all that stuff. So I don't have that problem. But in the meantime, this is how it's going to be. It makes the room look really, really bright. It brightens up the room, and it makes it look a little better, like clean lines and straight to the point. So in the future, if I go back to that place this weekend, I'm going to look for another rod, like the other one that I hung in the bathroom. I'm going to put one of those in here. And I'm hopefully praying one day somewhere I get another panel like this, and I'm going to put it on the other side. So yeah, let's get a look of how that looks. So I think it's amazing, y'all. And y'all can let me know what y'all think. But that's the length of them. And yeah, guys, that's it. That is it. So what I am going to do now, guys, because I gave you guys all the updates and everything, I have to get on the move here, get my hustle on. Well, not hustle, but get my get my life in order, get some things taken care of. And I will see y'all guys in another video. Don't forget to love yourself so that you will love others. So this universe, the world, a lot of things can be better, okay? And it starts with us, okay? Loving ourselves, okay? I just want to leave y'all with that. And peace, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Bye. Hey, guys, I just wanted to bring y'all along to show y'all what you can see being a life of a biker. Just the places you can see and visit. Get you some free home decor vase filler, naturally and free. Y'all, I'm gonna throw in some clips of my journey today, and I hope you guys enjoy some of the great places in Ohio. All right, I'll see you guys in another video. Just take a look at what I get to see right now. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty, y'all? Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.